Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the official launch of the Canon Hill Anglican College Strategic Direction, with particular reference to the college's one-to-one technology program. 2011 will be an exciting year for the college, as every year 8 to 12 student will receive a tablet computer. I believe imagination is more important than knowledge, and I am very envious of the path which you head down. The potential this type of technology provides for motivation, engagement, creating, imagining, collaborating and innovating is endless. It will only be restricted by the boundaries of the individual's mind. Now, it is not often I get out these days, so I want to take the opportunity to dispel the widely publicized myth that I was a failure at school. Not true. I excelled in many areas, particularly mathematics and the physics, with which I went on to receive some international recognition in. I had a very rewarding career, working in the patent office, doing research science, traveling the world and being recognized as the mega brain of the 20th century. However, my role here this evening, in the 21st century, is to welcome you all to an evening that I hope will be both informative and exciting for you all. Without further ado, I will now hand over to your host for the evening, Mr. Gary O'Brien.